This video is about how to install Oracle VirtualBox into Windows 8. Outcomes for this video would be to download Oracle VirtualBox, install VirtualBox in Windows 8, and then configure default location of your virtual machines to a public VM directory. Of course, you could choose any directory you want. Demonstration just to show you how to change and control where your virtual machines can be stored. Requirements in this case would be a Windows 8 operating system and administrative privileges on your Windows 8 operating system and an internet connection. Additional info would be at virtualbox.org, and of course I have a little disclaimer that I say I try and do the best I can, but sometimes things change and it may not work right. So back up your data all times. Okay, on to the video. To download VirtualBox, you go to the VirtualBox website, which is www.virtualbox.org. Once you're there, click on Downloads, and you get a choice of which VirtualBox to download. Now for Windows hosts, it has to be this one, x86 AMD 64. You've got one for Linux hosts, one for Mac hosts, and then of course one for Solaris. So let's just download this one. And it asks you want to run or save. In my case, I'm going to save it. Now the version we're downloading is 4.2.14. Once it's downloading, we can just close here, and we can actually just close the browser, and we'll go over here to search. And we're going to go to File Explorer. We'll go to Downloads, and here it is. So now we're going to install it. To install it, either single click or double click, depending on how your computer's set up. The Windows installer comes on, and we're going to click on Next. And it's going to ask select the way features to be involved, and basically I just put everything right on the hard drive, so it doesn't, you get everything there. If you need any help or something like that, you can look on your own computer. Click Next, and one thing you might notice here is that VirtualBox runs in Python 2.x, and it's probably 0.2.7 I would imagine, even though I haven't really checked into it. Click Next. I'm going to create a shortcut on the desktop, but not on the quick launch bar. Click Next, and yes, and install. Now it's going to trundle around for a bit, and you're going to get about 5 times it's going to ask for you to install different pieces of VirtualBox, and a lot of these are network connections, and this is so you have to give administrative permission. So this is user account control, so you're going to need an administrative account to actually install this. So we're going to click yes for VirtualBox, and it asks for the Universal Serial Bus Oracle, and we're going to click install here. These are all permissions. Oracle Corporation Network Service, again install. Oracle Corporation Network Adapters, again install. Now ask again about the network adapters. I guess we've got more. Click install. And now we've got finished. Now we can start it right here, and it will start right up, but what I'm going to do is actually unclick this install, do the finish, then go on into search. Right here it is. There's no Oracle VM VirtualBox guest editions, which you're going to have to use for when you create a virtual machine. You put the guest editions on a lot of the virtual machines, unless you're running a server that doesn't have graphics in it. And right here is Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's open that up. Here is the VirtualBox screen. I'm going to maximize it. we can create new virtual machines. But what I'm going to do is go to change the preferences, because I like to put all my virtual machines in one spot. What I'm going to do is make a public VMs directory. You can make whatever directory you wish. Click on Other, and I go to Computer, Local Disk, Users, Public, and I'm going to make a new folder and call it Public VMs or Virtual Machines. That's where all new virtual machines will be created until you change that. But you put your virtual machines where you want to. You may not necessarily want them public, but I like to control exactly where they're going, and I make a separate folder for the virtual machines as opposed to just putting them willy-nilly here in the user directory. Click OK. Here that is, and click OK again, and then you're ready to just go and create your own new virtual machine. As long as you have the operating system. If it's a Windows, you need your license, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.